In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a Slack account. Whether you've accidentally deactivated a colleague's account or just need to bring someone back into the fold, this step-by-step guide has you covered. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Slack's official website. If you're not already familiar with it, Slack is a widely used platform that facilitates workplace communication and collaboration. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on that, and you'll be redirected to the login page. Now, if you've linked your Slack account with your Google credentials, simply click on the Google button. Doing so will use your Google account to authenticate your access. Next, you'll need to select your account from the list. If your account appears there, go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a confirmation or a continue button, which you should also click. After confirming your account selection, Slack should bring you to the option to use Slack in your browser. Clicking this will enable browser access to your Slack environment, which is handy if you prefer not to install additional software. Now that you're inside your Slack workspace, look at the sidebar to find the name of the workspace. Click on the workspace name to access its settings. A drop-down menu will appear, and here you'll want to go to Tools and Settings. This section is your gateway to managing and customizing your workspace to suit your team's needs. Within Tools and Settings, you'll see an option called Manage Members. Clicking on this will display all the workspace members. This is where you control who has access to your workspace. Locate the member you intend to reactivate. You'll notice 3 dots next to their name, which is a common feature in many apps to signify additional options or actions. Clicking on these dots will present you with several options. Among them will be Activate Account. Selecting this will initiate the reactivation process, bringing that team member back into your workspace. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the account type. Depending on your team's structure or hierarchy, you might have different roles available, such as member or admin. Select the role that's appropriate for the person you're reactivating. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. Saving your changes ensures that the reactivated account is updated and correctly configured in the workspace. This last step is crucial to wrapping up the process successfully. And there you have it. Reactivating a Slack account is as simple as following these steps. Hopefully you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.